What you guys need for your coil pot is a little bit of clay, a sharp tool like this, and then each table will probably have 1 or 2 little cups of water. You don't need a whole lot. So how you're going to start is you can play with the clay a little bit. If it's a little too hard, you can soften it up. And then we're going to make a snake. So you may want to do this in 2 parts. Let's just break this clay in half. And how you're going to do that, you'll kind of flatten it out just a little bit. Then you'll just take your hand and roll it lightly like this. Now you don't want to press down too hard because then it ends up flat and then it's not going to roll. So just use just a little bit of pressure. And this is about what we're looking for. So probably your pinky finger is a good measure for how thick your coil should be. So the way we join our clay, it's called score and slip. So what you'll do is mark little X's and then dip your finger in just a little bit of water. We don't need a whole lot. And you spread it over, and that creates a clay glue. That's called score and slip. So we're gonna wrap this around. I'm not gonna score the whole thing, maybe just every little bit you can score and slip it. Then we'll wrap it a little bit. You're creating like a snail almost. You're just twisting it around like a spiral. Size. Maybe it's not quite as big as the palm of my hand. About like that is a good size for the base. So then what you want to do is flip it over, smooth it out just a little bit. And then this is a super duper important part, because all of these pots are going to look really similar. So what you need to do is best you can carve at least your 3 initials. If you can do your whole name, that's great. And we'll also put what rotation day you come to art on. So I'll put that info on the board. And we'll just do a 3, just for this example. Okay, now you might have to use your tool to help get this off the board here. Okay, so now we get to start building the walls of our pot. So we'll put this to the side, and you're going to make the same snake again. Okay, so let's not forget our score and slip. So this time we are going to score it all the way around. We don't have to be exact X's, you're just trying to add some texture in there. And we're going to add our water. Let's score this other piece too. We're just going to start somewhere on the side. We want to overlap. We don't want to do it outside. We want to overlap that outside coil. And we're just going to wrap it around. And once you make a circle, it's time to score some more. Now once you're all finished, it never hurts to just go inside and try to smooth it out. That's just going to help make it more stable. You don't want to smooth out the front though, because we want to keep all those coils. But if you smooth out the pieces of the back so that you can't tell it's all separate pieces, that's going to help make it more sturdy and less likely to come apart later.